You've seen the headlines, the buzz is everywhere. AI is getting smarter, faster, and more capable every day. Its progress is truly remarkable, pushing boundaries we once thought were unbreachable. It can create art, conjuring up images and styles that are both novel and captivating. It can write essays, crafting arguments and narratives with impressive coherence. And it can even generate code, constructing the very instructions that power our digital world. So, with all this in mind, is AI coming for your programming job? Is it poised to take over the role of the software developer? Are we about to see software that writes itself, churning out applications and systems with minimal human intervention, ultimately making human coders obsolete? The idea is both fascinating and a little terrifying. It sparks the imagination, while simultaneously raising concerns about the future of work. Imagine building complex apps in a fraction of the time, accelerating development cycles and bringing innovation to market faster than ever before. Imagine doing it with fewer bugs, creating more reliable and robust software. But programming has always been a creative, secure career, a field where human ingenuity and problem-solving skills are highly valued. So what happens if a machine does it better? What if AI surpasses human capabilities in the realm of coding? Before we panic, before we jump to conclusions, let's take a step back and look at what's really happening. The story isn't just AI versus programmer, it's not a simple battle for supremacy, it's about evolution, a continuous process of adaptation and change. Tools have always changed. They've always been in a state of flux, constantly being refined and improved. Think about it, from hammers to 3D printers, from text editors to AI. The real question isn't if AI will change programming, it already is. It's actively reshaping the landscape of software development. The question is how and what that means for the people who build our digital world, the architects of the digital age. Let's break it down. Let's delve into the details and explore the implications of this technological shift. When we talk about AI and software, we're not talking about a sci-fi superintelligence. Today's AI is more like a supercharged toolkit. Algorithms trained on massive amounts of code and documentation. Think of it as an incredibly smart autocomplete. Start writing a function and AI can suggest the rest, saving time and mental energy. It's not inventing from scratch, it's piecing together solutions from what it's seen. AI also helps with testing and debugging, scanning code for errors and suggesting fixes in seconds. In short, AI accelerates coding, handles the grunt work, and lets humans focus on architecture, user experience, and creative problem solving. It's not the architect, but it's the best power tool the architect has ever had. AI is a powerful tool, but powerful tools can change jobs. If AI can write code and find bugs, what's left for humans? It's a real concern, especially for junior developers. The tech is improving fast. AI assistants are getting smarter every month. Will demand for programmers shrink? Will the job itself change? There's also fear of de-skilling. If AI handles the hard parts, does programming become just writing prompts? But history shows new tools often create new jobs and opportunities. The spreadsheet didn't kill accounting, it transformed it. AI could do the same for programming, shifting the focus to design, orchestration, and verification. The programmer's role is evolving, not disappearing. Think of AI not as a competitor breathing down your neck, but as the ultimate co-pilot, ready to assist and elevate your work. It's about augmentation, not replacement. Like autopilot in a plane, freeing the pilot to focus on navigation and safety, AI handles routine tasks, the repetitive, time-consuming elements of coding, boilerplate code, freeing you from the mundane standard tests, ensuring quality and reliability without draining your energy. While the human focuses on the big picture, the overall strategy, and the innovative leaps, the programmer designs the architecture, crafting the blueprint for the entire system, defines the user experience, ensuring it's intuitive and meets the needs of real people, and makes the critical decisions that shape the final product. AI can write code, generating lines and lines of functional instructions, but only humans understand why that code matters, what problem it's truly solving, and for whom. Great software isn't just logic. It's not just about making things work, it's empathy and creativity, understanding the human element and crafting solutions that resonate. AI can replicate patterns, identifying trends and automating repetitive actions, but it can't innovate or truly understand user needs beyond the data it's fed. Programmers translate real human problems into elegant solutions, crafting code that improves lives. Real-world software is messy, a complex ecosystem of interconnected systems, full of legacy code and unique constraints that require human ingenuity to navigate. AI suggests solutions, offering potential paths forward based on its analysis, but humans navigate complexity, understanding the nuances and trade-offs involved, make trade-offs, and take responsibility for the outcomes. The creative, the ability to envision new possibilities, strategic and ethical parts of programming remain uniquely human, requiring judgment and foresight. AI is a powerful assistant, augmenting our abilities and freeing us from drudgery, but the programmer is still in command, guiding the technology and shaping its impact. That's the real partnership, a collaboration that leverages the strengths of both humans and AI. The future of programming isn't about replacement or one entity dominating the other, it's about synergy, a powerful collaboration where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. AI and humans working together side by side will make software development not just faster but also more accessible, opening doors for more people to participate and contribute, powerful, capable of handling increasingly complex tasks, and creative, sparking new ideas and innovative solutions. With AI efficiently handling the tedious parts, the repetitive tasks, developers can finally focus on innovation, on the bigger picture and solving bigger problems, the kind that truly move humanity forward. This partnership could lead to incredible breakthroughs in medicine, revolutionizing healthcare and extending human lifespans, science, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe, and beyond, unlocking possibilities we can only dream of today. The most valuable skills will shift. It's not just about coding anymore, system design, understanding how all the pieces fit together, critical thinking, the ability to analyze and evaluate complex information, project management, coordinating teams and resources effectively, and prompt engineering, the art of communicating effectively with AI. Programmers will become architects, orchestrating AI tools, like a conductor leading an orchestra to build complex systems, intricate and powerful. Technology has always amplified human potential. It's in our nature to create and innovate. AI is the most powerful lever yet, giving us unprecedented capabilities. The future isn't a world without programmers, far from it, but one where programmers are more capable, more empowered, and innovative than ever, reaching new heights of creativity and problem-solving. The keyboard isn't a museum piece, it's not going away anytime soon, it's the control panel for a new era, a gateway to a future brimming with possibilities. TekkoMind brings AI to your fingertips. Tap subscribe for more simple, smart videos.